Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Chris Howard. I'm a Solutions Architect Manager here in Sydney, and I'm joined today by...
Aileen Gemma-Smith, CEO of Visualytics Technology and Amazon Community Hero.
Cool. And we're here interviewing Ozzy. Ozzy is the Alexa evangelist for Australia, and you've been over here all day, Ozzy. What is going on in this room?
So today we had a workshop, a full day workshop where I teach people how to build a skill from scratch. So you didn't have to know much about how to build a skill. You would start with it, create a model, the backend and everything, and you come up with something that is actually working. So that's the thing that people did till lunchtime. I could see how excited they are when they see the skill is working in the test frameworks and all of those. At the moment, like Adam is following along to help them to build a CI/CD pipeline at top of it. So many cool stuff. I wish you guys could be there.
So CI/CD pipeline, so you can actually productionize this.
Exactly, exactly.
Oh, wow.
Exactly. Because it's important. Like when you are a team, you want to make sure everything is automated. You make changes and you go through the proper CI/CD pipeline. So that's our focus at the moment. And there are lots of other sessions that we are going to focus on Thursday. If you missed out this one and you want to start with build a skill, you can join me on Thursday.
Because we had some guys who came over and were like, can we get in?
Yeah.
So, and it's a packed room. It's about 100 people there. So if you missed it, you can join on Thursday, and it's a 2.5 hour session where you learn from the beginning. Still no need to know anything about Node.js or Alexa. All start from the beginning, and they have a working version at the end of the day. So many cool stuff happening in AWS.
That's really wonderful. So it sounds like getting started with Alexa can actually be pretty simple and almost templated in some regards.
Exactly. Like the hard work, the platform is taking care of it itself. Like we are using the SDKs for the back end, we are using Lambda, and like the front end of the skill that allows you to introduce the utterances and everything, it's very straightforward. So to be honest, I always tell people that this part is easy. Like I can teach you how to create a skill quickly. The next step is to think about the ideas, what fits with the voice, and I have some workshops that help people to think about it, to ideate, because it's important what fits nicely with voice.
So can you give us some examples of like great skills to create?
So I'm gamer, so two of the ones that I really enjoyed, one of them was When in Rome. So When in Rome is has a board game. So I invite my friends and we get together and we move through different countries, answer questions about it. And it's very educational and fun at the same time. And the other one is Magic Door. Like when you play with it, it starts with the sound of the magic door and you're imagining how it would look like, and the game is pretty engaging. So that's the type of a skill I really would like to
Can we play
with.
these on the Twitch stream on Thursday?
Yes,
Yes.
you can.
Yes. Awesome. Very cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I've built an Alexa skill, and I use the SDKs.
How was the
A trivia
experience?
quiz. It was a great experience. And then we ran a workshop recently for children in Sydney, and I got to play with the blueprints, which make it even simpler. Like really, really easy.
So you had the experience. It's simple. You can quickly jump in.
Not hard at all.
And you can show it to your friends and family. It's a lot of fun because other platform, you're spending lots of time to building it till you are able to just showcase to other people. So that's a lot of fun. If you're interested and you are not able to join the AWS Summit for any reason, be aware that we have a Twitch live session. It's Amazon Alexa. I'm going to live stream a lot of concepts there, so I hope to see you there and hopefully in the workshops as well.
You've got a lot of code on GitHub as well. That's where I found mine.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like there are heaps of tutorials, like code repo. Search for Alexa, Alexa Git repo and tutorials, and just always ping me if you have questions about Alexa.
Really exciting. Well, thank you very much, Ozzy.
No
and
worries.
best of luck with the rest of your workshops.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Thanks, everybody. Enjoy the
Thank
rest
you.
of the sessions.
Thank you.